Guys, what's coming for XRP could change everything. The US Congress is about to make a decision that could ignite the entire crypto market. And if you're holding XRP, this matters way more than you think. Let's get into it. We've got major news on regulation, banking, adoption, institutional moves, and listen, all signs are pointing to a possible breakout for XRP. This video is going to be intense. We're going to connect the dots and see why we might be on the verge of a historic price explosion. So stick around until the end and don't forget to smash that like button. It helps me out a ton. Let's begin. First things first, the US Congress is gearing up to debate stablecoin regulation and the overall structure of the crypto market. And why is this a big deal for XRP? Because we might finally get something we've been asking for years. Regulatory clarity. Once that's in place, big institutions, banks, asset managers, financial giants, they'll have no excuses. They'll be able to pour capital into cryptocurrencies like XRP. And I'm not just saying this. We're already starting to see the moves. Less uncertainty means more adoption. And a flood of institutional money coming in. Now, pay attention. Because this is pure gold. We're witnessing a global transition to ISO 20022, a new financial messaging standard. Sounds technical. Let me break it down. This system allows for faster, safer, more efficient payments. And XRP has been compatible from day one. Tokens like XRP, XLM, and HBAR are positioning themselves as the automatic translators for global banks. Guess who's adopting it? Fedwire in the US. And if that's not a hint, I don't know what is. We're talking about instant cross-border payments, real interoperability, and XRP becoming the bridge between banks around the world. Now let's look at the charts, guys. What we're seeing with XRP is a consolidation pattern almost identical to what happened between November 2024 and January 2025. And what happened then? Boom! The price shot up and nearly hit $3. And right now, we're seeing that same setup. If it holds, we could be just days, maybe even hours, away from a breakout past $3 and beyond. Keep an eye on the RSI, on the volume, and most importantly, on the context. Just a few days ago, Coinbase moved 25.5 million XRP within its own wallets. Coincidence? I don't think so. Add that to the positive net flows from South Korean exchanges, and what we've got is clear. Institutions are positioning themselves quietly, and you know how this works. They move first, and then the market explodes. It's the same pattern we saw with Bitcoin in 2020, and now it's XRP's turn. Now get this, Amina Bank, BNY Mellon, they're betting on Ripple dollar custody and Ripple-powered services. That's huge, because it validates the entire ecosystem. And what happens next? Other banks see this and say, if they're in, I'm in too. That network effect could multiply XRP adoption in the world of institutional payments. And when real utility grows, price tends to follow. Did you see what happened on Coinbase? For a few minutes, XRP's price just vanished from the platform. They called it a technical glitch. But when that kind of thing happens alongside massive institutional movements and unusual volume, you need to stay alert. It wouldn't be the first time a strange glitch comes right before a major market move. And now, let's talk about what XRP has survived. Just 2 years ago, people were calling it centralized, manipulated, dead. Now it's trading near $3, up more than 500% from its 2023 lows. Regulation, infrastructure, bank partnerships, institutional volume, XRP has made a comeback. And not from hype, from fundamentals. So guys, what's coming isn't random. It's the result of years of development, adoption, and silent building behind the scenes. And if XRP breaks through that key resistance with this kind of backdrop, we could be stepping into a whole new era for this crypto. What do you think? Are we ready for the institutional rally? Drop your thoughts in the comments with the hashtag XRP2025. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on all notifications so you don't miss a thing. I'll see you in the next video.